I'm Brian McMaster. I'm a chiropractor from next door at the Chiropractic Center here at MAC. I want to talk today about rotational handle modification to the biceps curl. Typical biceps movement is just bending the elbow and bringing the wrist towards the shoulder, working the biceps, but it limits the amount that you get the biceps activated through its full anatomical range of motion. So if you start with your palms facing up and then you bend and rotate your hands so your palm faces in, you match the full range of motion of the biceps and you're not impinging the tendon at any point. So it's a much better functional range of motion. It also mimics the rotation that should happen in your arm to wind up the shoulder and connect the upper limb to the core. Okay, so flex and rotate your hands so your palm faces in. Another nice piece that has independent arm motion, so you can mimic the motion that your arms go through when you're walking and running. And again, Kaiser allows for any speed to happen with resistance. Again, great for the nervous system to reinforce movements of your daily activities.